How to connect iPhone to Wi-Fi. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi, then it is a simple process, and once you do it, you'll remember it forever. First of all, launch open the Settings app on your iOS's home screen. Once you're inside the Settings menu, tap on the Wi-Fi option. Now, your iPhone will start searching for available networks nearby. Tap the one you want to connect to. If the network is secured, make sure to type in the Wi-Fi's password carefully and you'll be able to join. Once connected, you'll see a little check mark next to the network name. The Wi-Fi icon will also appear at the top right corner of your screen. Your iPhone will automatically remember Wi-Fi networks once you've connected, so you won't need to enter the password every time. Connecting Wi-Fi on iPhone is quick and easy once you know where to look. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.